Do you know the secret of your life? It is time. And this time is responsible for your health, for your wealth, for your relationships. Yes, I'm very seriously talking to you about this subject, which is time, and most of the people, they are mistaken. They feel time is with, like I can learn with some tool or technique or some strategy. But more important, I have a question for you right now. Do you see in this year, you have so much knowledge. You go, you know so many things. You attend so many trainings. So many tools, techniques are there. But then why you are not able to manage time? Why you are not able to manage time? Because time as a concept, not only time, it is your time, which is your mind, which is your self-management. This is another horse, which is riding your chariot, which is your inner mindset, because your external world is a printout of your inner world. And your money, most important survey shows that human beings on planet Earth, the most important area which they deal is money. The money GPS, financial GPS. And still at your age, I just have another question I want to ask you. How many passive income streams do you have? And many of you would love to ask me, what is passive income stream? So you can type in the comment and I will reach out to you. Also, in the links which are given, you can interact with me. You can talk to me. You can meet me. So this money GPS, and your energy. Everything is energy. Your results are an output of energy. So can you see the problem right now is all these horses are in 4 directions. This is the biggest problem right now with you, me, everybody. This is a time of distraction. My dear friends, there are 2 kinds of actions. One is distraction, one is traction action. And these traction action are actions which take you towards your goal, and distraction away from your goal. So can you see all these horses, the money and your energy and your inner mindset and your time management? There's a chaos, there's a clutter. Band baji hui hai, lagi padi hai. Karna kya hai? Before this, what I spoke in Hindi, that really we are suffering and dealing this day in and out. Why do we need to work on this? Life will just be same if you will be at the same actions. Because old actions will give you old results. New actions will give you new results. So, life is always a choice. Chocolate, vanilla, choose. You always choose. It is a mistake that we say and we think that somebody made us do something. No, not possible. You will not even move an inch till the time you don't decide for. Because in your life, I cannot see anybody like really putting you, pulling you or pushing you till the time you and me don't allow for. So is it a good idea to work on your energy, on your time, on your money and on your inner mindset? Because my dear friends, we need to work on the time is understanding our mood meter. So once you come to my more closer connect, I teach you, and when I share about the mood meters, it really clicks and you can see, oh, this was the challenge today morning I was going through, and I saw that my mood really got pissed off or got switched off. And do you know the secret? That your brain, the power brain, only knows the good thing the brain does very quickly, instantly, spontaneously is fight or flight, escape. This is the 2 things the brain knows. So many times when you say there was a challenge, a relationship challenge, or you have to pay to someone, or you are seeing your sales is not happening, or you are seeing that you are not able to give time to your children and they need you, and because of work so much overwhelm which is there in your head at all time, you see that life is slipping away because time is not going slowly. Time is flying. Time is passing by like this. So can you see your work, your health, doing exercise for everything. You need time. And I have seen people who have been really so honest, like a gym person who is so fit in his healthy body, but he is not having good relationships. Or a successful CEO earning a lot of money, or a person doing very well professionally and career wise, but not having happy relationships. Have you seen that? Have you seen people who have time? They are all the time with their family. They have so much of time, but then they don't have money. And the family needs money. Because yes, money can buy you peace. Money can buy you happiness. Money is the most important commodity. Because I want to throw a challenge on you. Try asking anybody money. This is the most precious commodity. That is why we need to really learn money. Because money is not like a apple or a mango or a strawberry that you went in the garden and you plucked it. It is how many people they love you. Money is a hard decision. It's an emotional decision. Anybody will pay you only when they trust you. These are heart affairs. Love you, heart. When they believe in you, they will do that in the exchange of some service or some value, which is they're solving their problem. So, can you see that learning money, there is so much that you can, as a time concept, not be trapped just in the concept of just a to-do list. There has to be another to-don't list which you will make. You will not be able to make alone. You need a buddy to work with you. So can you see? You need a coach, or you need a team, or an environment. So learning time, I invite you to dive deeper in this concept, because you are a lifelong learner. That is why you are here in my video. So let's learn together time, inner mindset, money and energy, and learn to do this horse riding of our chariot so that we live a happy, fulfilled life. Thank you, friends. I am Dr. NK. I am your time partner. I am your accountability partner, because the work I do is around these 4 domains, the foundation. And my work is very different, because I ensure that you are action driven and you take action, because I believe knowledge is cholesterol. So there's link in the description. Do like, subscribe, show some love if you like the video, and come for a closer connect, for a one-to-one clarity call, or whichever way. See more of my videos. Some very interesting topics I have is SWOT analysis. You should know your strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Here, how to overcome overwhelm. This is one of my subject. Winning the week formula. This is so amazing and interesting, and for you it makes a lot of sense. How to use AI in business, how to do business goal setting, and some important stats of time management and time, money and you in 2024. So looking forward to have you and to learn to ride these horses, because this is all a practice. Knowing makes no difference, my dear friends. Knowledge is cholesterol. It is only the practice and consistent disciplined practice with someone will change your life if you master this domain and have the time tracking in your life. Thank you.